Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. This video is about the perspective tool when you don't have a later version. Corel came up, I think it was 2021, came up with a perspective tool that's under Object, Add Perspective, and you could manipulate shapes, and it's really cool stuff. I'll have to give my hat off to Corel for doing that. But you can do it with text. Go up to Object, Add Perspective, and you can make a word look like it's coming at you, like Star Wars type graphic. But you can do this without it in a way. It's not as good, I don't think, but you can at least manipulate shapes. So I just drew a rectangle. I'm going to grab it. I'm going to go to Object, and I'm going to convert it to a curve. And then I'm going to grab the Shape tool. I'm going to grab these two nodes. And then right here is Stretch or Scale Nodes. And it comes up with this box. Put that crosshair on the box, hold down your Shift key, and you can manipulate a rectangle into that shape. Now, like I said, we could still, if we wanted to put Corel in, I actually went a little bit too far with that. So I'm going to take the Shape tool, grab those two nodes, hold down or grab that right there, and then get that crosshair and hold down the Shift key. I just want a little bit of perspective. Now we're going to take that shape. We're going to go to Effects and Contour. Let's say 1 inch. We're going to go up to Object. So I contour to the inside. I always seem like I missed some steps. Break the contour apart. And now we could put this word Corel into that contour if you wanted by opening up under Effects and Docker, open up the envelope docker and click right here. You've got your text selected. Click on there and you get an arrow and put it in that box. Now, if you will select your text and then select your rectangle and then go EC, it'll put it in that rectangle and you don't need that rectangle anymore. You could delete it and it looks like that. Now, they look kind of the same, but they're not. This truly looks like it's coming at you. The C to me is kind of flat. It does get bigger. So if you, this just looks better. But as far as manipulating shapes, you could take a rectangle and if you wanted it like that, convert it to a curve, grab your Shape tool, grab those two nodes, and then click right here to stretch and you'll get this. Now you need to go to that crosshair, then press your Shift key and go that way. Now, if you want to do the opposite direction, you just do the opposite direction, nodes, crosshair, Shift key. You can do it, up top. It doesn't have to be those. Grab those two and then hold down the Shift key and bring that in. Kind of make a pyramid or a triangle or a bridge support, if you're making a bridge. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.